Hello everyone, Josh Niehaus here with the Elite Group Property Inspections. Our company has been working with Rudy and his team for over a decade. What I love about him and his team is they are dedicated to being the #1 real estate team in Southern California. I love this conference. They do it all the time and it's full of education, value, and really the most unique real estate training and coaching that I've ever seen or been a part of. And that's what's attributed to them doing over 500 deals in a year, which is very, very impressive. And hearing some of their tips and strategies on how they're gonna keep growing and developing their business is absolutely amazing, and we're super happy to be aligned with that and also to learn from it and grow as a company and grow with them. So we're grateful to Rudy and Team New Vision, and for these conferences. It's a time that we can learn, grow, and see where we're gonna take all of our businesses in the new year.
Well, thank you, Rudy. Today is the opportunity for me to represent team with Ben Tran, with Click Mortgage and PC Mortgage. We partner with Rudy for about 6 months now, a little bit more than 6 months actually, and it's been a great experience for us. You guys bring a lot of exposure, as well as teach us a lot of things about how to do business the right thing, core values, and we even learned some more today. Do the right thing can give you, can take us to the new level. Thank you, and hope you enjoy the training.
What's up, guys? Just want to say that for me, what it means to be a part of this team is just something bigger than myself. You know, the Rudy Kasuma Home Selling Team, Titanium Real Estate Network is just up to really big things, and I really believe in the core values. I really believe in the mission and the vision statement, and being the best place to work for real estate and the best place to serve clients. Together we get to work as one and help our clients. And one thing that I learned today is second mile service, you know, adding value. You know, first mile service is what's expected. It's what we're supposed to do. Second mile service is going above and beyond. For example, getting our clients list of homes that is not available online. Because we know how to set, collect, and negotiate our own fees, we can actually show them any property in any location. So really excited about that. I'm really excited to be a part of this team.